Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the report on the topic on one approach to building a temporary model of the knowledge base. I am Associate Professor of the Department of Information Systems of Simon Kuznets, Kharkiv National Economic University, Volodymyr Burdaiev. Main topics of the report: chatbot, online consultation, expert systems. The main idea of the report: online consultation for the expert system is the integration of the Telegram chatbot and the carcass system. Consider it dynamic rules knowledge base for expert system based on the idea of the bundles, the knowledge base. The concept of constructed knowledge base models based on hierarchical functional system, and it is implementation for integrating chatbots with expert systems is investigated. Messages. Today, various messages show a high level of user use compared to all other applications. Messages can be wide as a specific type of browser, and the chatbots can be viewed as web applications with elements of artificial intelligence. The future of chatbots can be seen as the role of a language shell for expert systems based of available services for building a dialogue interface such as IP, IE, Dialogflow, with and Microsoft's Cortana intelligence platform. And bots will get commercial value only if they live entertainment industry. A chatbot can be thought of as a question and answer system, a QA system with elements of machine learning, namely natural language parsing functions and inference engine, and a model for communicating with external application. The actual problem for chatbots QA systems is the creation of inference engine which determines the knowledge relevant to a given equation. In the traditional approach to the implementation of interface, expert systems use a limited natural language or various graphical controls. The emergence of chatbots allows you to use a language interface. A chatbot and expert system. The paradigm for integrating chatbots to work with expert systems is now becoming more and more relevant. The carcass system provides tools for creating knowledge-based models. The chatbot, economy carcass bot, has been created in the Telegram messenger, which is integrated with the carcass system. ES Economic Carcass Board is intended for consultation, the prototypes of expert system in economic and financial topics. You can send a text message to the bot and get information from the expert system. In other words, you can use a bot to conduct an online consultation with an expert system. The message from the chatbot command slash help is shown on the slide. I remember the main idea of the report. Online model of expert system is equal Telegram chatbots plus Carcass system toolkit for creating knowledge-based models. Functional system. Functional system FS is a system format to achieve a given useful result. Objective function in the course of its operation. Problems. Firstly, construction of mathematical and computer models. Secondly, integrating a chatbot on the Telegram of Messenger with a shell for expert system Carcass. Models of open living systems. A distinctive feature of FS is the openness, not autonomy, not isolation from the external environment. The mathematical model describing the evolution of such system are non-autonomous differential equation. To study the topological properties of non-autonomous equations, the mathematical apparatus of extension of dynamic system based on the concept of a bundle is applied. It is a global analysis. One original approach. Representation of dynamic subject area in the form of a hierarchical FS in which the knowledge base is associated with a chain of bundles for the evolution of its main goal. At each level of the IFS hierarchy lies of the knowledge base bundle chain contain knowledge for managing it in order to achieve a specific result. In the subject area there are classes and relationships between them that form the structure of hierarchical FS. IFS allows you to generate discrete moments changes on the objects of the subject area. Mathematical model of FS. The not quite strict definition of the extension of dynamic system is represented by the model 1. Let us describe the model 1 in terms of global analysis. The triple of objects MPB forms a bundle where P is a continuous mapping. It is a projection. B is the base of the bundle. MB is the bundle layer. The addition of to a level, there are more complex multi-level systems. New principles. IFS is characterized by the following properties. Connectivity is a chain of bundles of the knowledge base. Complexity is the hierarchy of levels of local knowledge bases. Stability, adaptive behavior of system is the structure of the FS. The graph does not change under vertical disturbances of the rules. Knowledge base filtering. The IFC connectivity is expressed in filtering the knowledge base. That BI be a local knowledge base, that is, it contains rules for determining the sub-goal GI, which is at the highest level in the FS hierarchy. Knowledge base filtering is the finite local knowledge base system BI, where partially ordered as follows. The consequent of each rule from BI is contained in the antecedent of rule from BI plus 1. Dynamic chaining, the section of the knowledge base bundle. If S in the dynamics chains in the section of the knowledge base bundle chain when processed by inference engine. T0 is green lays EFS, T0, T1 yellow lays EFS, EIFS T1, T2 red lines IFS T2 and so on, etc. The type of hierarchical functional system for selecting Burdaiev creditworthiness class. The bundles of knowledge base. The implementation the bundles of knowledge base into a bundle chain allows you to effectively perform a number of operations. Testing the knowledge base of each level, the hierarchical FS. Sadly, the base of the bundles knowledge base is the so-called slow variables, describing the evaluations of the main goal. And 14th, the lines of the bundle chain are fast variables that describe the state objects, sub-goals at discrete point in time as the main goal evolves. The architecture of integration of the chatbot with the system carcass is shown on the slide. Telegram service, and on the right hand on slide we see implementation chatbot as economy carcass bot in carcass system. Other approach to modeling IFS and dynamic knowledge. The use of temporal knowledge in integrated expert system, simulation of a dynamic intelligent system, using a fuzzy temporal graph, open multi-agent system with self organization. Hierarchical stability of biological communities. Conclusions. An original model has been created on the basis of a hierarchical functional system for representing the ontology of the subject area based on the concept of bundles, the knowledge base, and its filtration. Second, the report considers a mathematical model for building a temporary knowledge base based on a hierarchical functional system in which the knowledge base model is linked to a chain of bundles knowledge bases. An algorithm for the interaction of chatbot and agents of the expert system on the online model is considered. Thank you for attention.